Fermentation is an ancient technique for preserving food and drinks that have been practiced since long before the days of refrigeration. Fermented food and drinks are produced via controlled microbial growth and enzyme actions, which convert some of the food's components into other compounds. Fermented foods can restore the natural balance to your gut flora, keep your digestive system working properly, maintain proper levels of good bacteria in the body, and keep your immune system working at its optimum. Fermented foods can benefit your health in a variety of ways, such as improving digestion and lowering your risk for certain diseases, like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. 1. Sauerkraut. Most people are introduced to this German superfood at a summer barbecue as a hot dog topping. What you might not realize is that naturally fermented kraut, which is essentially just cabbage in a saltwater brine, is chock full of gut-friendly probiotics, fiber, and vitamins. 2. Natto. This traditional dish from Japan is a type of fermented soybean, and it is perhaps best known for its very strong smell and flavor. Natto has tons of probiotic compounds and can improve the balance of good versus bad bacteria in the digestive tract. This will improve immunity, skin health, and even your mood. Although natto is often served with rice, you could also use quinoa. Natto is high in fiber and full of iron, protein, calcium, as well as B vitamins. Look for organic natto, otherwise, you will end up with GMO soybeans. 3. Pickles. You might not have heard of this one, but in Eastern European countries, it's quite common. This is made by fermenting beets in some water, salt, and a bit of whey. Beets are well known for their ability to cleanse the liver and filter blood. Fermenting beets only makes them extra good for you, as the probiotics will improve your digestive health, and therefore, your immunity. Beets are also great for your kidney health. You can try using it as a salad dressing or adding some to soup, but most people find this drink absolutely addicting. 4. Tempeh. Tempeh is made from naturally fermented soybeans. It's similar to tofu in that it's a plant-based protein made from soy, but unlike tofu, tempeh is fermented. It also has a firmer texture and a slightly nuttier flavor profile. Because it contains all the essential amino acids, it's a complete source of vegetarian protein. According to a 2021 review in Comprehensive Reviews in Food Science and Food Safety, tempeh has shown potential health benefits for numerous conditions, including gut health, cancer, cognitive function, lung health, cardiovascular health, liver health, bone health, and type 2 diabetes. 5. Pickles. You need to be picky about your pickles. The usual pickles in your supermarket, such as Vlasics or Del Monte, won't cut it. They use tons of preservatives and chemical additives, and sometimes even pasteurize them, removing almost all of the healthy probiotics you are eating them for. Look for naturally fermented pickles. These are super powerhouses of probiotics, as well as flavor. You can use these like any other dill pickle. Sweet pickles don't count, and you will know that you are getting all the fermented goodness possible.